Hey, welcome to the winters. There is a shivering cold out there, but still we are working on next YouTube video, which is about a phone for the first time smartphone users. Yes, you're right. It's Redmi 7A. Hey, what's up? This is Anil from Red and Graphics. Let's end the search for the first time smartphone users who are on a tight budget. Xiaomi has introduced Redmi 7A under 6K, which seems a great option. Anyways, let's find out. If you're yet to subscribe our channel, please subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon for future updates. It's not the first time when Xiaomi has introduced a great option in the entry-level Android segment. Redmi 7A is a significant upgrade over Redmi 6A. It is better in every aspect when compared to Redmi 6A. Let's unbox the device. Phone comes packed in a sturdy box. Top layer of the package contains product documentation and SIM ejector tool. Here comes the Redmi 7A. Bottom compartment of the packaging has a USB to micro USB cable and a power brick. Phone comes with 5-watt power adapter and a good quality cable. Now let's explore the Redmi 7A. Let me peel off the screen protector. Phone doesn't feel cheap and extra light in the hands. Here is the rear camera and a flashlight. 3.5mm jack and a microphone are located at the top. Right hand side accommodates the power button and volume rockers. Bottom of the phone has a micro USB port in the middle. Left and right grills are microphone and speaker grills respectively. Left hand side has SIM and micro SD card slots. Front camera is besides the receiver. It comes in 3 color variants: matte black, matte blue and matte gold. It comes in 16 and 32GB internal storage. However, RAM is 2GB in both the variants. This is the 32GB matte gold variant, which has the following specifications. Phone rocks Snapdragon 439, 2GB RAM, HD Plus display and a 4000 mAh battery. I used the device for a few days as my secondary phone, and here are my observations. Design and build quality of the phone doesn't say anything about the budget friendliness of the phone. Phone is well designed and has sturdy build quality. Display of the phone is not something that will surprise you. However, it has good resolution for the price. Display is not very bright as you may struggle while using the device in the sunlight. Xiaomi claims that the display of the device is TUV Rainland certified, which means it protects your eyes from harmful blue light, especially in reading mode. Redmi 7A is powered by a Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor, which is a great offering for the price. Phone can handle moderate multitasking as this processor is paired with 2GB of RAM. Adreno 505 GPU gives you an option to play basic games. We have tested this entry-level smartphone using different benchmarks, and scores are shown here on your screen. The rear camera of this phone has 12 megapixel Sony IMX486 sensor, which in our tests shows good results considering the price of the device. Front camera is a 5 megapixel shooter having background blur and beautify features. Both the cameras come equipped with AI features. Few of the sample photos are here on your screen. Phone cameras are pretty basic, and especially the bokeh effect in the portrait mode is below average. Phone comes with Android Pie out of the box. If you are familiar with MIUI designed by Xiaomi, you will feel at home. It will not give you the experience of stock Android, however, MIUI is a feature-rich version of Android. Phone doesn't feel laggy, but multitasking can soon eat 2 GB of RAM and can make the phone a bit sluggish, which is not a surprise for a phone under 6K bucks. The phone has a 4000 mAh battery for a 5.45-inch HD Plus display. Size of the display is not that big and it has HD Plus resolution, which makes it more power efficient. Battery life of the phone is really good. It can give you a full day battery life even if you are a heavy smartphone user. Phone supports 10-watt charging, however, charging included in the box is a 5-watt charger. Apart from all these features, phone has Bluetooth 4.2 and it has wireless FM radio. It still rocks a 3.5mm headphone jack. It features a splash-proof nano coating which avoids corrosion due to sweat, oils and beverages, etc. This phone doesn't have fingerprint sensor, however, AI face unlock feature is baked in it. Phone has 2+1 card slot design and supports up to 256 GB expandable storage. Good news for the users is that on top of all these features, this phone comes with a 2 years warranty for the first time. In a nutshell, do not expect much from this device. However, it's a decent performer in its own price range. This phone is not a powerhouse, but still can easily handle day-to-day tasks. If budget is your concern, then this is the one for you. I would appreciate your comments. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next one.